Hi, my name is Elizabeth Cooley. I started a business about 3.5 years ago with my horses. I do trail rides, birthday parties, pony rides, vendor events, and lessons and training for other people's horses. I didn't have somebody to teach me all this stuff. I had to do it on my own and through the internet. So I just wanted to kind of share the experience of the joys of horses and how to properly ride them, because I've made a lot of mistakes by not having somebody teach me and having to figure it out on the internet. Go ahead and get your soft brush now. There you go. Yep, and that's called what? What is this called? Do you remember? Starts with a W. A wither. Okay. You think you can lift yours? Maybe. Good job. It gives freedom for the shoulders to move. Their shoulders go in a circular motion. They rotate. Okay, what's this? You sit on it.
The seat.
Yeah, the seat. The way my program works as well, I don't just teach people just to get on and ride. I try to teach them how to create a bond / partnership with their horse. Horses are not a vehicle. They do have a mind of their own. So I try to teach kids to be aware of what they're doing around their horse. There has to be some sort of communication bond between partner and equine. I teach students horsemanship, how to properly be around them, how to properly care for them, get them saddled and ready to ride, and then how to unsaddle, clean their feet, basic horse care. You're asking him to stop, hun, by pulling back. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's what makes her back up. So when you're sitting, you got to have a loose rein. Think of it as hugging with your legs. You're just hugging them. Okay, now you're the driver. Don't let her run into me. There you go. Put your arms forward just a little bit, Levi. There you go. Remember, you want a little bit of a loop in your reins. There you go. There. This is Anubis. I got him last year. He is not quite broke yet. He's had very minimal groundwork. He will be part of the program eventually. He is a Frisian Blue Roan mixed quarter horse. This is Ember. This is actually my friend's horse, but she does let me use her for lessons and stuff. She boards her here. She's about 23. She's an old girl. She used to be a barrel horse. Of course, Tequila, she is turning 3 soon. She's had a few rides on her. I'd say about 3. She's still very, very green. She will also be part of the program. This is Athena. She is 3. She's had about 7 rides now. She will also be part of the program eventually. And then this is my broke one. A lot of kids do lessons on him. He's 8. This is Bullseye. He's my main lesson horse. Everybody gets on him. He's really good with kids. I do rodeos and sorting on him too, so he can go from being competitive back to being calm for the kids. I do basically all ages. So I've had toddlers come out with parents. I've had adults do lessons. So I don't really have a age limit. It's for everybody. I do enjoy the kids loving seeing their expressions. They get really excited. Tequila with the horses. It's just something that I've really, really loved as a kid, and I wanted to apply it to other people when I grew up. I really enjoy the horses.